Hey, I'm Luisa Hart, and today I'm about to blow your mind with something sitting in your bathroom right now, probably forgotten in the back of a drawer, costing less than €3, and it might just be the most powerful anti-aging secret you've never taken seriously. I'm talking about Vaseline. Yes, that humble little pot of petroleum jelly your grandmother used. The one you've been ignoring, the one the beauty industry doesn't want you to obsess over because, spoiler alert, it works, it's cheap, and it threatens a billion-dollar skincare market. So buckle up, because by the end of this, you will never look at that little blue and white pot the same way again. Let's start with something most people have never heard of, and honestly, that's a crime. Because understanding this one thing will completely change the way you take care of your skin forever. It's called the hydrolipidic film. Say it with me. Hydrolipidic film. Sounds fancy, right? But what it actually is beautifully simple. Your skin, every single centimeter of it, is coated in an ultra-thin, invisible protective layer. This layer is made of two parts, a watery phase and an oily phase, the oily part being mostly your natural sebum. Together, these two phases form a shield, a living, breathing, dynamic shield that keeps your skin hydrated, nourished, plump, and healthy. When that shield is intact, your skin glows. It feels comfortable. It bounces back. It fights off external aggressors like pollution, wind, cold air, and UV rays. But when that shield breaks down, oh, that's when things go wrong, really wrong. And here's what breaks it: harsh soaps, over-cleansing, aggressive exfoliants, sun damage, stress, pollution, and just time. When the oily phase of your hydrolipidic film is compromised, the watery phase underneath is left completely exposed, and it evaporates. It literally escapes your skin. And that's when you feel that tight, uncomfortable pulling sensation after washing your face. That sensation? That's your skin crying out for protection. And when your skin is chronically dehydrated like that, it doesn't just feel bad, it ages faster. Fine lines appear sooner, expression lines deepen quicker. The crow's feet at the corners of your eyes, those little lines above your lips, the creases along your neck, they form and they set in because the skin has lost its bounce, its elasticity, its cushion. This is where Vaseline comes in, and this is where it gets exciting. Vaseline is what scientists call an occlusive agent. What does that mean? It means it creates a physical seal on top of your skin, a breathable protective barrier that locks in moisture and prevents what's called TOOL, transepidermal water loss, which is just the technical term for your skin's hydration evaporating into the air. But here's the crucial thing to understand, and I cannot stress this enough. Vaseline does not add moisture to your skin. It locks it in. It is the seal on the envelope, not the letter inside. So you absolutely must apply your hydrating products first, your toner, your serum, your moisturizer, and then on top of all of that, you apply Vaseline. It acts as the final protective layer, the guardian, the lid on the pot, making sure everything underneath stays exactly where it needs to be. And when your skin is consistently, deeply, and durably hydrated, fine lines soften. Premature wrinkles stop forming. Your skin becomes more resilient, more plump, more luminous. Not overnight, but consistently over time, you will see a real difference. The Hollywood connection is real, by the way. Dermatologists and celebrity skin specialists have been talking about this for years. Some of the most iconic faces on screen have credited Vaseline as a core part of their nighttime routine. There's even a name for it now. You may have heard it, slugging. Slugging is the Korean beauty trend, and Korea, let's be honest, is basically the Harvard of skincare, where you apply a generous layer of Vaseline or similar petroleum-based product as the very last step in your nighttime skincare routine. The idea is that while you sleep, your skin goes into full repair mode, and the Vaseline creates the perfect environment for that repair to happen undisturbed. It sounds almost too simple, almost too cheap to be effective. But the science backs it up completely, and the results speak for themselves. Now, and this is important, I need to talk to you about how not to use it, because yes, you can absolutely get this wrong. The number one mistake people make? They go full slug mode without thinking about their skin type. They slather a thick coat of pure Vaseline all over their face and wonder why they wake up with clogged pores or breakouts. Listen carefully. The amount you use matters enormously. If your skin is dry or sensitive, here's your sweet spot. Take a hazelnut-sized amount of Vaseline. We're talking roughly half the last segment of your pinky finger, and mix it in the palm of your hand with your regular moisturizer. That's it. That blend is your final step. Apply it gently and let it do its job. If your skin is normal, not particularly dry, not particularly oily, use slightly less. About a third of that amount mixed into your cream. And if you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, or rosacea, you need to approach this with real caution. Vaseline is not your enemy, but in too large a quantity on already oil-heavy skin, it can tip the balance of your hydrolipidic film in the wrong direction, causing excess sebum production and potentially clogging your follicles. Less is more. Or in some cases, skip it altogether and speak with a dermatologist about alternatives. Also, and I say this with love, please do a patch test before using Vaseline on your face for the first time. Apply a tiny amount to the inside of your wrist. Wait 24 hours. Make sure there's no reaction. Some people do have sensitivities, and your face is not the place to find that out for the first time. One more thing on safety. Vaseline has zero antibacterial or antiseptic properties. Zero. So if you've heard that it's great for healing wounds, that's partially true, but only for clean wounds. If you apply Vaseline to an infected skin area, you risk sealing the infection in and making it worse. Only use it on clean, non-infected skin, always. And please, buy pharmaceutical grade. Look for pure, unscented petroleum jelly from a pharmacy, not a random budget brand with added fragrances or colorants. Pure, simple, pharmacy-quality Vaseline. It costs almost nothing and makes all the difference. Now, let's talk about the part that makes me genuinely want to shout from the rooftops. Because Vaseline's beauty applications go so far beyond anti-aging skincare. You ready? Because this list is going to make you feel like you've unlocked a cheat code. Number 1, blackhead removal. Yes, really. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline over the areas where your blackheads live, usually your nose, chin, or forehead. Then place a warm, damp towel over it for a few minutes. When you remove the towel and gently wipe, you'll notice how much easier impurities come away. The Vaseline softens and loosens them, making extraction gentler and more effective. Number 2, it supercharges your sunscreen. Apply a thin layer of Vaseline before your SPF. The occlusive film limits how quickly the sunscreen is absorbed into the skin, meaning it stays on the surface longer, right where it needs to be to actually protect you. More protection, same product, zero extra cost. Number 3, the self-tanner hack. This one is genius. Before applying self-tanning products, put a thin layer of Vaseline on the notoriously difficult spots: elbows, knees, ankles, knuckles. These areas tend to absorb more product and turn darker or patchier. The Vaseline creates a subtle barrier that slows absorption and gives you a much more even, natural-looking result. This alone is worth the price of the pot. Number 4, nail polish perfection. 2 tricks in one here. First, before you paint your nails, apply a thin line of Vaseline around the skin bordering each nail. Any polish that gets on the skin wipes off cleanly, making cleanup a dream. Second, if your favorite nail polish bottle is starting to stick or the cap won't open easily, rub a little Vaseline around the threading of the cap. It'll glide open every single time. Number 5, hair rescue. If your ends are dry, brittle, or splitting, the tiniest amount of Vaseline, and I mean truly tiny, rubbed between your palms and applied to the tips of your hair, can smooth and seal them. The absolute key word here is tiny. If you use too much, you'll have greasy hair and a bad day. But done correctly, softer, shinier, healthier looking ends instantly. Number 6, make your perfume last all day. This is one of my absolute favorites. Before you spritz your fragrance, apply a small amount of Vaseline to your pulse points, wrists, the base of your throat, behind your ears. The moisturizing, occlusive texture holds on to fragrance molecules and releases them slowly throughout the day. The same perfume, the same amount, but it lasts hours longer. You're welcome. Number 7, emergency makeup remover. Ran out of micellar water? No cleansing balm? Vaseline has you covered. Apply a small amount to a cotton pad or even your fingertips and gently work it over your face, including your eyes. It dissolves even waterproof mascara with 0 tugging and no irritation. Rinse with warm water and follow up with your cleanser. Works beautifully. Number 8, lash growth and strengthening. This is a slow burn beauty ritual, but the results are worth it. Every night, take a clean mascara wand, thoroughly washed and dried, dip it into your Vaseline and gently brush it through your lashes from root to tip. Be careful not to get any in your eyes. Do this consistently, and over the weeks you'll notice your lashes becoming stronger, less brittle, and more lush. It's not magic, it's occlusion protecting the delicate hair fibers, but it genuinely works. Number 9, hands and feet transformation. If you have rough, cracked heels or dry, chapped hands, Vaseline is honestly one of the most effective treatments available, period. Apply generously at night. Put on a pair of cotton socks for your feet or cotton gloves for your hands and sleep. In the morning, the difference will surprise you. Repeat nightly for a week, and you'll have the smoothest skin you've had in years. Also, don't forget your cuticles. A tiny amount massaged into each cuticle regularly keeps them soft, healthy, and prevents painful cracking or hangnails. Number 10, bug bite and sting relief. When an insect bite is driving you insane with itching, apply a small amount of Vaseline directly to it. The occlusive layer reduces the sensation and soothes the irritation. It works similarly on nettle stings. Quick, easy, and it's already in your medicine cabinet. Now let me put this all together for you because I want you to walk away from this with a clear, actionable routine. Evening routine with Vaseline for anti-aging and skin health. Step 1, cleanse your face gently. Use a mild, non-stripping cleanser. You want to remove the day's impurities without destroying your hydrolipidic film. Step 2, tone. Whether that's a hydrating toner, an essence, a mist, apply it to damp skin and let it absorb. Step 3, serum. This is your targeted treatment step. Anti-aging serums, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, whatever your skin specifically needs, apply it now. Step 4, moisturizer. Your regular hydrating cream. This is your hydration layer. Step 5, Vaseline, the seal, the guardian, the magic final step. Take the appropriate amount for your skin type. Remember, less is always more. Mix it with a little of your moisturizer if needed, and apply gently on top of everything else. Focus especially on the areas most prone to fine lines, the corners of your eyes, above your lips, your neck and décolleté. That's it. That's the routine. It's simple, it's inexpensive, and it works. I want to say something directly to you because I think it matters. The beauty industry is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. And a significant part of that industry depends on you believing that you need expensive, complicated, proprietary formulas to have beautiful, healthy, youthful skin. And sometimes, yes, specialized products do make a real difference. I'm not anti-skincare. I love skincare. But I am passionately pro-knowledge. And the knowledge that a €3 pot of pharmaceutical petroleum jelly can genuinely improve the condition of your skin, slow down the visible signs of aging, and serve as a multi-use beauty powerhouse, that knowledge should be freely available to everyone. It shouldn't be a secret kept by dermatologists and celebrities. Your skin deserves consistent, intelligent care. Not necessarily expensive care, intelligent care. And Vaseline, used correctly in the right amounts for the right skin type, is one of the most intelligent, evidence-backed beauty investments you can make. So go find that forgotten pot at the back of your bathroom cabinet, or pick one up next time you're at the pharmacy for less than the price of a coffee, and start treating it with the respect it deserves. Because beautiful skin isn't about spending more, it's about understanding more. I'm Luisa Hart, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your skin, take care of yourself, and remember, the best beauty secrets are often the simplest ones.